Model, 2012 Isuzu Trucks Forward N62.150 automatic 26k miles extremely low mileage recovery truck plant lorry very nice starstruck. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 26,920. Engine, 2,999 cc for J123JCT. Transmission, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. It drives like a brand new and the first person to come and see will definitely buy it. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, electric windows, beaver tail recovery bod. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.